Today I will show you how to add HTML on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Now the first thing I'd like you to do is log into your Squarespace account. Once you're logged in, I want you to go into the website that you want to add the HTML for. Once you go into it, this is what it should look like. Now on the left side, you're going to go to website, you're going to go to pages, and you're going to find the page that you want to add the HTML for. Now once you find the page, on the right side of your screen, you're gonna see the preview of the page, and you're gonna click on edit at the top. Now after clicking on edit, you're gonna find the section that you want to add the HTML to, and we're gonna come, once you hover over it, you're gonna see add block. You click on add block, and here what you want to do is you want to add code. Once you click on code, this block is what it will give you as a preview block. Now you're gonna hover over it and you're gonna see edit. You're gonna click on edit. Now you see here it has HTML by default. This is how you add HTML on Squarespace. Now you can also change this and change it to any text that you want, and it's going to display here. Now that's how you add HTML to Squarespace. Now if your intention is to display all everything you write here, including the tags, and you want to display that on your page, you're going to have to toggle this on, and as you can see, it's displayed the HTML element itself on your page. Now that's how you add HTML on Squarespace. If you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next one, see ya.